In this video, we're going to learn how to log out of Coles account. If you're looking for a way to log out or sign out of your coles.com.au website, then it's pretty easy. Simply go ahead and click on the account button at the top right hand corner, and then in the pop-up, you should be able to see the logout button right there. Click the logout button, but before that, make sure that you remember your credentials for your Coles account, since you'll need to enter your email and password to get access back to your account. If you're sure you'd like to log out, click on log out and then wait for a couple of seconds, and you'll be redirected to the main official webpage of Coles. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of Coles account with a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.